This is the Hey Ed YouTube channel, and I am your host, moderator, and all-around nice guy, Edward Anderson. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I mentioned in this video or any of my videos should be construed as investment advice. Always do your own research before doing anything with your money. All right, so let me make a little market commentary here, since on Friday, I'm recording this on Sunday. On Friday, we had a pretty dramatic day in the market, and I want to talk about the implications going forward to help you make decisions. Okay, so the stock market was down over 1,000 points on Friday. I'm talking about the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and all the other markets look exactly the same. The charts look exactly the same if you superimpose them. So what happened? Well, they're blaming it on Jerome Powell at the Federal Reserve because he was doing a speech out in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, where everybody was on pins and needles about what he was going to say. Now, in the day prior, on Thursday, the market actually had a really big rally because everyone was anticipating that the Federal Reserve was going to switch to a different footing and start to pull back on their interest rate hike policy that was going on. Well, oops, what happens? Jerome Powell comes out and says, you know what? We think we need to keep raising interest rates, and we expect a lot of pain ahead because of it. And on that news, the market sold off dramatically. Now, when the market is expecting one thing and they get the exact opposite, it doesn't react well. And we saw a lot of really smart people with egg in their face. And this goes on all the time. Honestly, I do not know how some of these analysts on TV still have jobs. These guys are really bad. You really have to learn how to read charts and develop a solid trading strategy. Let's take a quick look at the market, and let's take a look at the implications of Friday's action. Oh, and by the way, this is my website, right? The Hey Ed YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You'll get to look at all of my past videos with a lot of really good content, including a bunch of these videos that I've been doing called Trading Tricks, where I've been teaching people little tricks of the trade when it comes to trading. And if you click on the playlist button here after you subscribe, you can click on this button here and take a look at all of my Trading Tricks videos. And I've got more coming. Okay, so this is the 3-month chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now, so for those of you who are getting really worried about the market back here and you're hoping for a rally so you can lighten up on your stocks, well, look, you had your chance. For the past 5 weeks here, the market has given you a very nice little rally. Now, this is a typical pushback rally inside of a bear market. This has been a bear market rally. And I've talked about this many times, how in bear markets, you often have very impressive rallies. And that's what we've had for the past 5 weeks. And then the real chink in the armor came right here about a week ago. And then this came on Friday. So it sold off here. It tried to get something going, but boom. This was a very technically important day. A lot of damage was done on this day. Now, the next support level on the market is this little 30,000 point level here on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, so let's take a look at a little longer term chart. This is the 2-year chart on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and this looks really ugly here. Now that we had that little pushback rally up to here and had a ton of overhead resistance here, I don't know what people were waiting for to getting out. That was a gift, that little rally. But we're still up pretty sharply from the low that was put in 5 weeks ago. So you can still get out at better prices than you were 5 weeks ago. So, look, I'm not giving you advice, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my opinion. I believe the market is going to revisit the support level, and then it's going to see the next support level down here at around the $26,000 level. Okay, so listen, you always want to look at the charts to get the story, see what is the street feeling right now. And with all the things that are going on in the economy, why would the market rally in here? The only thing the market had going for it was the notion that the Federal Reserve would reverse their policy on interest rates. Well, yesterday, that rug was pulled. All right. And so now the market has nothing else really to rally on, not fundamentally, certainly not technically. So I think the market is in for a world of hurt here for quite a bit of time. Now, this, in my opinion, is what I call a trader's market, in that you're going to get little rallies along the way and sell-offs. The net result is that the overall trend is going to be down. Okay, so investors are going to be very frustrated. They'll get little rallies along the way that's going to make them feel a sense of relief. And it's over. Now I can finally make my money back. But then it's going to roll over and go down again. Well, traders love volatility. Okay, the more volatility, the better. That's how traders make money. You want to learn how to think like a trader, even if you're not actually actively trading. You want to think like a trader. Remember, the difference between trading and investing is not one of time frame, it's one of philosophy. You should learn to adopt a trader's attitude toward the markets. Don't fall in love with your stocks or your cryptos or whatever it is. Okay, it doesn't matter what you have your money in. The important thing is to have a plan. Your plan is far more important. Please watch my trading tricks videos. I cover all this in my short little trading tricks videos. So the nub of all this is I think the market is going to be going lower. Friday was a very important day, technically speaking, and I think we're in for a lot of hurt between now and the end of the year. But do what you want. Remember, I'm not an advisor. I'm just one guy on YouTube with an opinion. I do have a trading background on Wall Street and as a trading instructor, for whatever that's worth. Okay, so please give this video a like and maybe share it with someone and maybe even give me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the Hey Ed community. That's all I got for you for now. Edward Anderson signing out.
Copy that.